Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing here today? This is Love Temptress for the Gaming Dynasty channel and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. Hi! So today I'm coming to you with another humble bundle that just came out today, and this one is Cook Like a Pro by Hearst. It is a book bundle, and this one is your at-home chef's academy. Dish up masterful meals in your own kitchen with these cookbooks and culinary guides. Discover recipes for family dinner time, great baking techniques, and methods to satisfy a variety of dietary needs. Learn from the experts at Good Housekeeping, Delish, and Prevention, and help support Freedom of the Press Foundation. That is right, if you are new and don't do a lot of humble bundles, each humble bundle you purchase helps support a charity, which is awesome. These files do come in EPUB and PDF files, so that means you'll be able to read them pretty much anywhere. And Humble has an evaluation of $340, and I always break down the valuation for you. However, this time is a little bit different. I did have to guess on some of them because I cannot find them anywhere. But that also means if any of these look like something that you want, you definitely want to pick up this bundle because they are hard to find online. I could not find some of these anywhere. Amazon, not anywhere. So if you're going to want these as PDF digital forms, then you're definitely going to want to pick up this bundle. I want to pick up this bundle. Okay, so before we move on and look at the different things in the tiers, this is how long time you will always have left. So we have about 21 days left. Don't mind me. It's been a long day. Okay, so if you click down here, the nice thing is you can change your donations. So right now it's on the default donation. This is here because I am a Humble Bundle partner. So that means I have an affiliate link down below. If you do click on that and use it, it does help support the channel. As you can see, it does provide a little bit of money for us to help us support the channel. And it doesn't even cost you anything extra. So that's one way you could support the channel. If it's bundles you're going to buy anyway, and it would help us out. But of course, you don't ever have to. You can always go straight to humblebundle.com to purchase any of the bundles you like. All right, so that I really put that there to remind me because I forget to tell people. But you can also click on the extra to charity. But my favorite part is you can do custom amount. So like a lot of times I like to go and give equal or close to equal. Or if you want to do more to the charity, the second one is always the charity. So this one is Freedom of the Press Foundation. You can choose to give them more. And if you want to learn more about them, you can come right here and read more about the work that they do with the charities and the charities you're going to support. All right, so let's get into the good part. Let's see what's in the bundles. Man, I can't talk today. Apologies. All right, so first of all, we have the first tier, which is only $1. So if you choose to pick up this tier, it is only $1. And you get 3 different books with it. So the first one is Quick and Simple Cooking for 2. This one is $8.99, but I actually had to guess. So any of the guesses, I guessed $8.99 because that's about the price for most of them. And even with that evaluation, I still came out very, very different from Humble. So take it as you will. But like I said, if I had to guess, it's because I couldn't find these online. A lot of these are really difficult to find online. So if you want a digital version, you definitely want to pick up this bundle. Okay, so this one I did guess it was $8.99. And this next one is Women's Health Keto Made Simple. And it has 70 plus recipes. This first one over here, Quick and Simple Cooking for 2, has 91 recipes. So this Women's Health Keto Made Simple is normally $13.99, but that is for a print issue. I could not find a digital edition available. Next, we have the Quick and Simple 1 Pan Meals. This includes 76 recipes. And this one is normally $8.99, but again, it is for a print issue. So again, I couldn't find the digital issue, but that's the prices for these. So that would make it a total of $31.97. For this first tier here that, of course, you would just pay $1 for. Next, we have the middle tier today, which is $10, and you get 8 total items. So that includes 5 new ones because it includes the 3 previous ones. So first of all, we have the Women's Day budget-friendly recipes, 150 quick and easy favorites. So this one is, well, I had to guess at this one, so my guess is $8.99. Then we have the Prevention Ultimate Eat Clean Cookbook, another 80 fresh and delicious recipes. So this one is also on a guess for $8.99. Then we have the Women's Day Create Food Fun, 86 recipes that wow. This one is also a guess for $8.99. Like I said, a lot of these are hard to find online, so if you want digitals, you definitely want to pick up this bundle, which is why I want to pick up this whole bundle. Next, we have the Food Network Magazine Summer Pasta Cookbook. Now, this one I could find, and it was $13.97. Then we have the Women's Day Make-Ahead Meals. And this one, I had to take a guess, so I guessed $8.99. All right, so that is all of the new ones. So that makes this tier that you're only going to pay $10 for worth $81.90. And again, like I said, it is a little off, which sometimes my bundles are anyway, even when I can find the price and not guess on them. But my total evaluation is going to be off from the $3.40. But I still think they're worth them. All right. So next we have the last tier today, which is $18. And you're going to get 27 total items. So, of course, that includes the 8 previous ones. So, it's only $18, and we've already seen from the previous tiers, it's already worth it, right? Plus, I don't know about you, but I have way too many cookbooks sitting on my bookshelf, so I am loving getting the digital versions lately. All right, so first of all, we have Good Housekeeping, the best ever cookie book. I don't know why that was so hard to say. It is 175 tested till perfect recipes for crispy, chewy, and ooey gooey treats. This one is normally $9.99, and I did find the Kindle edition. Then we have Good Housekeeping Easy Meal Prep. This one is normally $9.99, again for the Kindle edition. Then we have Sugar Shock, 21-day sugar detox. This one is normally $9.99 for the Kindle edition. Then we have the Prevention Plant-Based Plan. And it is 100 easy recipes. I don't know why that just didn't look right. So that one is also $9.99. Then we have the Delish Ultimate Cocktails. Now this one's a little weird because, well, it's free with the Kindle app. So if you're looking to get this book, you go get the Kindle app, and this one's free. It has 100+ amazing recipes inside. Happy hour, go for it. So that one is absolutely free. Just search for it on Amazon. Unless you pick up the bundle, then you don't need to. Then we have Smoothies and Juices, Prevention Healing Kitchen. This is 100+ delicious recipes for optimal wellness. This one is normally $9.99 on Kindle. Then we have the Healthy Keto, Prevention Healing Kitchen, 75+ plant-based, low-carb, high-fat recipes. So this one is normally $9.99 on the Kindle. And of course, by Kindle, I just mean the Amazon digital version. And then we have Good Housekeeping Cookie Swap. This one is normally $12, but that was for the print edition. Then we have the Delish Breakfast and Brunch, 95 incredible easy recipes. And this one is normally $13.99, but again, it's for the print issue. Then we have Good Housekeeping Cooking in an Instant. This one is normally $7.37, but again, that is for the print issue. Then we have Delish chicken dinners, 101 insanely easy recipes. This one is normally $8.99, but that was only because I had to guess. Next, we have the Good Housekeeping Keto 101, 75 delicious low-carb recipes. This one is normally $5.70. Then we have the Delish Cookouts and Campfires, 101 super easy recipes. This one is normally $21.98, but I could only find the print issue. Then we have the Good Housekeeping Mediterranean Diet Made Easy, 75 plus easy healthy recipes. This one is normally $13.99, but again, I can only find the print issue. Okay, next we have the Delish Totally Stress-Free Everyday Dinners, 85 top-rated recipes. This one I could not find, so I guessed at $8.99. Then we have Good Housekeeping Simple and Satisfying Comfort Foods, 96 warm and cozy recipes. Now this one is normally $13.99, but it is on sale for $4.50, but once again, it is also the print issue, not for the digital. Next, we have the Cast Iron Cookbook, 70 easy skillet recipes. This one is normally $13.99, but again, it is a print issue. Then we have the Food Network magazine Chocolate Lovers Cookbook, 125 totally irresistible recipes. Yes, please, just give them all to me now. This one is normally $15.69, but again, that's only for the print edition, not for the digital. All right, last magazine cookbook that we have added to this tier is the Prevention Plant-Based Meals Made Easy. Now, this one I could not find, so I had to totally guess at $8.99. Okay, so what does it all come out to? Again, remember, you're only going to pay $18, which is why I for sure am picking up the top tier of this bundle. Less storage space. Digital, all for me, yes. So I came up with $279.02. And remember, I guessed at a lot of them. And a lot of them were print issues. So of course, my valuation could be very skewed. However, if you've seen a lot of my other bundles, a lot of times I do come up with a different value, even when I'm not guessing. So $340 or $279. Either way, it's totally worth $18. I'm just saying, it's totally worth $18. Plus, a lot of these, I could not find the digital anywhere. So if you want these all in a digital version, I suggest you definitely pick up this bundle before it is over. This is definitely one that I'm like, you need to go get it. If you cook, if you know somebody cooks, if you want to send it to your mother, your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend that cooks, your auntie, your uncle, whoever it is in your family that cooks. I didn't even do daughter, son. I could be here all day. If you know anybody that would like this, even a friend, yes, should pick this up. It would make an excellent gift for only $18. I'll stop yammering now. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come up. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you did enjoy this video, if you hit that like button, it also helps out the channel. Not only let us know that you guys appreciate and like the video, but it also lets YouTube know so they'll recommend it to more people. So thank you for that. All right, that's all I have for you today. Let me know what you think. Leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned.